if you'll be interested in this video, but here I am finishing my 5-day-old cutie project. Yes, 5 days, don't judge. While telling you why I'm doing crochet as a part-time business instead of pretending to be a responsible employed adult. So hi, I'm Teen, a proud college graduate. And after trying out the magical world of employment, I kinda lost myself. My hobbies gone. My motivation missing. My will to wake up early non-existent. So long story short, I burned out faster than my phone at 1%. So I decided, why not try business? With the help of my super duper amazing family, I started a printing business. That's my main hustle. But because I can't sit still and I love pretty yarn too much, I also started Chain One. Why that name? Because every crochet project literally starts with Chain One. Well, it's my daily reminder to just start, even if I have zero energy and 20 pending tasks. I actually started crocheting 2 years ago, but had to stop after a few months trying to chase professional growth. Puno. But guess what? I'm back, and this time it's personal. So now, if you're thinking of starting a crochet journey too, here's my little advice. You must bring patience, determination, and about 10 cups of coffee, I guess. Because finishing a project takes time, especially when you're busy juggling life, chores, and existential crises. So yeah, happy crocheting and may your yarn never tangle and your hook never go missing.